This is Josh with Garrett's Golf Carts. And I just wanted to touch on the gas golf cart. One thing that Garrett's kind of prides themselves in is actually having the option of a gas golf cart. Some of the pros of having a gas golf cart is the run time. This 5-gallon tank, you get about 110 to 115 miles on a full tank. And this is great for if you're on vacation and you fill it up one time and you're good to go. Also, if you have a lot of acreage or an event or anything along those lines, you do not have to worry about run time. You will have it all day and plus more. For maintenance, all you need to do, besides obviously keeping gas in there, is just checking your oil periodically, your filters, plugs, and that's definitely something that our service department can help you with as well. But this is the Kawasaki 400cc. It has about 13.5 horsepower, so you'll have plenty of power for any kind of terrain that you might be on. And again, just let us know, we have plenty of these in stock. We have utilities, 4 passengers and 6 passengers just like this, and new or used. Thanks.